With the most elite and affluent residents from all over the world, New York City continues to lead the way in innovation on the global stage. In this video we'll discover one such beautiful heaven on earth. So let's get started. Before we start, how do you want your dream house to be? What must your dream house have? This? This? Or this? What if I say I have a better one for you with all these amenities and luxuries? This home in New York's Soho neighborhood is listed for a staggering $20 million. In the 7-story building, the Penthouse has a total of 5 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms for its occupants. Its overall features are a combination of contemporary and classic design elements throughout all of its living spaces. The rooftop terrace of the Penthouse has been manicured and irrigated, and it features panoramic views of the surrounding area. This provides the owner of the Penthouse with a sense of living in the great outdoors. Despite the fact that they are located in one of the busiest cities in the world, the property has a garden on the rooftop, which provides protection to plants that are both healthy and lovely, while also providing a fantastic perspective on the surrounding areas. The home is bathed in natural lights, thanks to big windows which not only provide a unique perspective of the Soho neighborhood but also make the house feel more open and airy. The majority of the floors in the house are made of white oak, and the gorgeous living room has a tall ceiling. Did you know that the American Institute of Architects conducted a poll that results of which found 69% of architects noticed a rise in the demand for outdoor living spaces such as patios, decks and gardens? This home unquestionably satisfies the demand in question. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, take a look at this dream kitchen. It not only makes a feast for the parties, but it's also a visual treat that is truly a feast for the eyes. The cabinets, the chimney and the gas cooker all contribute to the feeling that this house is worth every penny it costs. The master bedroom includes an attached bathroom as well as custom closets, and the kitchen is wide and features cabinets made of maple and aluminum, in addition to stone countertops. The gorgeous staircase leads to the master bedroom. The apartment also has an additional bedroom suite that can be used as either a study or a library, or it may be transformed into a formal dining room if desired. Do you have any idea who the owner of the house is? Okay, let's give you a hint. The celebrity who owns the house lives here. Keep watching till the conclusion of the video to find out the answer. To get back to this luxury, the house has an interior that is both understated and rich, and it calms the heart of anybody who visits. The inside of the house reflects the owner's passions for various forms of art and pop culture. The vivid paintings, whimsical sculptures and a variety of souvenirs from successful career are displayed throughout the expansive living rooms of the home. Every space emanates a sense of coziness and individuality, thanks to the elegant selection of seating configurations and furniture in each and every one. As you can see, here is a large open library right here in the hall, allowing both the owner and the guest to indulge in their urge to read whenever they please. Next is the epitome of a warm and inviting nook in the home, complete with a fireplace that serves a dual purpose by allowing you to either transform it into a spot where you can conduct business from or spend a lovely evening with those you care about. Take a look at the ambience, for goodness sakes, how brilliantly it was conceptualized. A specialized space devoted to entertainment is one of the features that makes this New York home stand out. In addition to a private bar, a collection of classic arcade games and a state-of-the-art home theatre, this property has it all. It is a place where people may get together with their friends and co-workers to relax and spend quality time together. Hence, it functions as a gathering spot. The property, which is valued at $20 million, is located in the prominent borough of Soho and serves as a demonstration of affluent living. The house is an unrivaled option for individuals who are looking for an outstanding lifestyle in the center of New York City. It's the zenith of extravagant and refined living, delivering everything one could want in a home. Coming to our answer, the owner of the house is none other than comedy king Mike Mayer.